Are you tired of going to the nail salon and spending so much money when you can get the same exact acrylic look at home for so much less? Then this is the video for you. Keep watching. So today I'm going to be showing you extra short nude French gel extensions from Btartbox nails. I'm so excited that I tried these out. Here's a little sneak peek of what they look like, but I don't have the builder or top coat on just yet. So I've already prepped my nails. I'm just going to quickly start by applying a super thin layer of base coat to my nails. You can use their glue gel. You can use whatever you want. You can also skip this step, but I just personally prefer it. I feel like it gives the glue just something more to stick to. I just honestly used this because I had it sitting out. So I'm just going to apply, like I said, a really, really small amount and cure it for 30 seconds. So I have my tip sized out here, and this is the glue that is also from Btartbox that I'm using. It's their gap filler nail glue. It's my absolute new #1 nail glue. No questions asked, hands down. You get so much of it. It's a really nice solid nail glue gel because it's like softer while still being solid. Like, you really don't need much, and it's really easy to clean up any spillage that you may get, and it also, obviously, as the name says, does fill in the gaps. I believe this is priced at around $18.99, and I know some people think that's a lot, but honestly, in my opinion, it's really worth it. It works really well. I get the best longevity out of my nails anytime, whenever I use this one, for sure. So I'm just taking these little micro Q-tip things and some alcohol and cleaning up any spillage, and then I am flash curing each finger for a couple of seconds, and when I complete the whole hand, I put it in my big nail lamp that's off to the side. And I'm also not going to speed this up at all because I want you to see how long it actually takes me to apply these nails, which is not long at all. Sorry, there's a really loud car outside. So yeah, these are an absolute breeze to apply. I'm definitely so thrilled that I tried this extra short length. I think they're my absolute new favorite. I know I say that like every time, but I mean it this time. They are just so cute, and I feel like a lot of people are into this classic acrylic look and a nice short length, and they're not like overly short for being extra short. They're perfect in my opinion, and obviously they also come in standard short, they come in long, and there's every shape imaginable for you, and they also come in pink and white base. These are the nude ones, and I'm very happy that I went with the nude. I usually go with the pink, but the nude was really cute and something different for sure. So really, it's just as simple as what you see. I'm going to go on and apply these last 3 nails. Then I'm going to do a full cure, and then we move on to the builder and the top coat. But I do want to say Btartbox did come out with a new lamp, and I really hope that I get to try it in the near future. It looks really, really good. It's like, you know, a full-size lamp. So that's exciting. They just have so much stuff now. If you go on their site, like, it's hard to pick. There's so many shapes, so many colors for the French tips. Like, they do all bright colors. They have purples, blues. There's really pretty like nudes. There's literally anything. If you want to apply your nails quick, you don't want to like be wasting your time having to do like base coats and like, I mean like base colors and like, you know, just the whole thing. Painting a French can be difficult for some people, so these are a real lifesaver, and they're absolutely perfect. And obviously you can add nail art, you can add rhinestones, you can do whatever you want to these, and it's just so easy. I love it so much. These, in my opinion, are worth every penny, and they constantly are having sales on their site as well, and they are available on Amazon, which is nice. But the Btartbox website did recently get a US warehouse, so their shipping is so much faster. So that's also a plus. And I did forget to mention in the beginning, these nails right here are listed at $26.99 on the site right now, just for the nails, but you can buy it in the kit version, so you don't have to buy the builder gel and the top coat and the nail glue if you don't already have it. And you can also get a kit set up with a mini little flash cure light if you're a beginner and you need to get everything to start. So they have literally everything. So you can suit your cart to your nail needs, which is very helpful. I definitely do want to do an updated like 10 favorite Gel X nail glue gels, because they've changed quite a bit since that first video that I put out. I don't even know, over a year ago. I have way different favorites than I did back then, but spoiler alert, like I said, this one right here is my number one for sure. So yeah, but I definitely still want to film that video. Give this a thumbs up if that's something that you would like to see. I'm definitely excited to film that for you guys. I know I'm always interested in people's favorite nail glues and why. So yeah, just a little idea there. So we're already on the thumb here. We're just going to get this baby on, and then we're going to move on to the rest of the manicure. And let me know down below if you personally use Btartbox nails, if you're just like watching this because you are, or if you love them and you use them. I definitely am interested in hearing your experience with them. I've had nothing but good. Also, their tip primer, I didn't show it, I did use it though, is top notch. It's my favorite tip primer, better than Young Nails, better than Appraise. Like, I really like their tip primer. It just lasts really well for me, and I've heard other people say that as well. So yeah, another really good product if you want to add that to your cart while you are on there. Just a little pointer. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So this is a new thing I just realized. If you take your cuticle nipper and you nip these little nubs off before you file, it really saves you so much time. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and I'm just quickly also showing you my nail lamp here off to the side. We are here doing the full cure at the end. So we have all our tips applied, and I have to say they look beautiful matte. If you were to do a builder gel and a matte top coat, I think that's a really nice look as well. I'm just quickly filing over the nub, which since we cut it off, it's just so much faster. And then we can move right on. Okay, so here we have the builder gel and the top coat, nicely labeled step 1 and 2. So obviously you're going to want to start with your builder gel, which this is my favorite builder gel. They can be thick, they can be annoying. This one is super easy to work with. Definitely nice if you're a beginner. It's just really smooth. It has really nice, what's the word? I don't know, it just paints on really nice. So we're gonna do a nice hardy coat, equal all over on all the nails, making sure to get your edges. And then I'm gonna full cure for 60 seconds, and then you just do the same exact thing with your top coat. And you have salon quality nails that look exactly like acrylic in like no time at all, and there's no gross smell. You don't have to leave your house, you don't have to tip anyone, you don't have to pay like a lot of money. You have enough stuff to do quite a few sets for yourself if you invest in their kit, and no more nail salons. So yeah, I think it is a win-win.